Good morning. Our today's topic is bell desk. We are going to study about functions and the procedures and the records which are maintained for the bell desk. Functions of the bellboy. Functions of the bellboy. The main duty of the bellboy is to carry the guest luggage on arrival as well as departure. Add luggage tag for identification. Escort guests to the room from the parking to the room. Explain room features and services which the room has. Inspect the room for damage or theft on checkout. Guest paging. And he is also supposed to do small tasks like mail, message, medicine, newspaper, etc. And the last job is left luggage room. Forms of bell desk, luggage tag for identification of the of identification of the luggage, get arrival errand card, departure errand card, arrival departure notification slips, left luggage room register, lobby control sheet, bellboy movement, luggage pass out, permission after luggage bill settlement, movement slip for room change. These are the forms which are supposed to be made fulfilled by the bell desk department. And this is the luggage pass out. This is supposed for the guest who has checked out the hotel. For him, the details of the guest plus the departure time, everything, and this luggage which he has which is supposed to be sent out of the hotel are given in details. Departure errand card. Errand means a small work which is to be done, and the departure errand card are for the bellboys who take the guest luggage to out of the hotel in the parking lot for the departure. Departure notification slip. This slip is prepared by the front office department and is sent to the bell desk department, which further give it to the particular bellboy who is supposed to take the guest luggage from the room to the departure area. These are the duties of bell captain. He supervises the movement of all bellboys, maintains lobby control sheet, collects errand cards, reports to the lobby manager. A bell captain profile. A bell captain usually supervises the conduct of bellhops and porters. Generally, working in a hotel, a person in this position is usually cross trained to take on other hospitality tasks like concierge or desk clerk duties, in addition to bell captain duties, depending on the size of the organization. Hotel porters. Hotel porters may provide some or all of the following services to the guests: greet and take them to their rooms, move their luggage, run errands, deliver mail, newspapers, and messages, deliver meals and drinks to rooms, answer inquiries about local attractions and booking tours, book taxis and restaurants, park park cars, take and collect guests to and from airport and other locations. Hotel porters may also cover for reception desk staff when needed. This is the format for the left luggage register. Bell desk and lobby. This is the entrance of a hotel. On the left hand side is the bell desk and the right side is the hotel entrance. Duties of bellboy: welcome and escort guests to and from their rooms and assisting with luggage, inform guests of safety features and promotion of guest outlets, store guest baggage upon request and assist with loading and unloading of baggage into and out of automobiles. This is the luggage card of a guest room, in which the guest name, room number, date in and date out is marked on the luggage tag. Duties and responsibilities of bellboy. Bellboys are responsible for carrying guest luggage to their room. They may also be responsible for checking the room before the guest arrives. The bellhop or bellboy may ensure that all amenities such as the television or telephone are operating properly. Any malfunctions are reported to maintenance to be repaired promptly before the guest arrives. When the guest checks out of the hotel, the bellboys may be summoned to carry the guest luggage to the checkout area. Duties and responsibilities of bellboy. Bellboy also provide newspapers, medicines, and left luggage room facility for the guests. A bellboy should be well groomed and make good communication skills, smiling face while he is handling the guest. Sometimes they may also get money or gift from guests as rewards for their services. Duties and responsibilities of bellboy. In addition to their regular duties, bell desks may assist guests who are physically challenged by escorting them to their room. They may also assist at the front desk and place claim checks on guest luggage. Some bellboys run errands or pick up laundry. Bellboys may also be required to work weekends and holidays to accommodate guests. Concierge. In a hotel or resort, a concierge is a department which takes care of the hotel's guests for the local areas. For example, they basically have you can provide the hotel reservation, restaurant reservations, booking hotels, arranging for spa services, recommending life hotspots, booking transportation like taxi, limousines, airplane, boat, etc. Thank you.